Look. Look at this. Oh, fish for booty. Look at this. Look at
Oh,
this.
I forgot. We forgot to bring the bucket.
It's not too full. Actually, wait. I'll just use that nub piece.
Let's see, each one of these. Oh, there's a hook inside of it.
Epic.
Okay, we're gonna just look at that amazing cast, my dude. Like, look at how genius it is. Okay, that should be good. That's some quality stuff over there.
Oh, you have your GoPro?
Yep.
Oh, is it running?
Right now it is, yeah.
Oh my gosh. That actually looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. This probably came off.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to replace all the... If I ever use those, I'm going to replace the hooks anyway. Because the hooks are kind of trash. Because they've been sitting under the water so long. So, yeah. You're going to look at the stuff, though. Everything in the side pocket of that blue bag I got yesterday. Muliti-Tool.
Look at what he found. And more stuff.
Come on, we gotta go.
If I let go one time, the wrong time.
What is that?
Butter knife. Got a butter knife.
You bring your butter?
I always have my butter.
You bring your butter?
Of course. Oh wait, I found a hook too.
Found a butter knife.
Okay, I haven't found anything good in a while. At the very start, I found this thing, which is pretty cool. Once I do it. A little bit later, I found this thing, and I have some hooks, but that's and the butter knife that Owen is using to cut worms. I haven't found anything cool since the very beginning, so keep going and see what I get. Another knife. Another knife. Oh, and I got another one. You got anything?
Bass got off of my bait. That's all.
I have, I think, 3 knives and 1 multi-tool. It's pretty good for my second trip. 4 knives. Did you put it back? You have something?
Any bass will get it.
Yep. Got that a second ago. What were the other ones bluegill too?
Yeah. I'm just gonna let this one go. It's way too big.
Yeah, it's too big.
That's like big, but that's chunky.
Like you could make McNuggets out of that.
You could keep it if you want to.
No. I don't want McNuggets. Chicken McNuggets or fish McNuggets. Some kid, or that kid the other day was talking about that. Oh, and you still want me to help?
Yeah.
Epic. Okay, I think I have plenty of stuff over there. I'll review all the stuff I got later before we leave. Because I got a lot of stuff. I now know that towards the bank is better for catching stuff. Like right under the dock, surprisingly, isn't that great.
Well, yeah, because no one just drops it straight down when they're fishing and stuff.
Well, that's where I got the Leatherman.
You cast it, but you have to cast it.
Unless you want pocket knives. You can't. You have to go straight. You have to go out there. Even though I got most of my knives going that way. I got all of them except the pocket knife, which was right there yesterday. But I want lures though, because you can't do anything with poo-poo pocket knives other than flex. Like if I refurbish that one, you could sell it. You could sell that one. But yeah. Yeah, that's really small. Epic win.
Are you ready? Yeah.
You missed. And also slimy. It actually got it really slimy. Dude, I could visibly see the change after you put the bass on there. Through the lens.
Why not? I can't.
Oh, you want smaller pliers?
Yeah.
Where are they? Which pocket?
I have no idea.
Oh, look.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sauce. We're wrapping this up now because we have to go. So let's review the things that I got. Okay. First find. This thing. This thing. Pretty okay thing. I don't know. Probably my best find so far. And then next, butter knife. Trying to be fancy, but it's cool. And I found this one yesterday, but I wasn't filming. Yeah. Second best thing probably. I don't know. Then I found this knife. Probably somebody threw these in together or something. Threw it in their kitchen. Then I found this knife, which is kind of cool, but it's also really tips broken. Stuff like that. Big thing. I thought that was something cool, but it was just a heavy bolt. Another pocket knife. This pocket knife is a real pocket knife. Looks sort of old. Bottle cap. Muddy bottle cap. Bottle cap. Different bottle cap. Weighted lure thingy. Another weighted hook thingy. A cowbell, I think, which is kind of interesting. It's cool. No bell, but still a cowbell, I guess. What? What's poppin'? Is it stuck or do you have something?
There's a big bass looking at it, but this bluegill's kind of dead, so I need you to hold this.
Something did something. I can't tell. I've been postponed. How hard is this? How many are there out right now? Nope, I got a bite though.
Oi.
Oh, yes, that's perfect, that's perfect, that's perfect, that's perfect. Hey, at least you weren't skunked today.
Yeah. I mean, I hadn't really been fishing so most of the time. I've been skunked magnet fishing.
I did.
You didn't magnet fish. You did? On the fishing rod? Yeah. Epic win. Took the bait with me.
Ha!
Get wrecked. Dude, bluegill are thieves.
Dude, why do you keep doing that?
What?
Putting the weight so close to the line.
Because.
Why? It's not how it's not gonna work if you do it like that.
Why?
You have to have it like at least. Cause Aiden, that's just not how you just don't do that.
That's just not how
Because it tangles the line.
Okay. That's just not how it be.
Because when the hook sinks, it'll go like this, right? And it'll start wrapping around itself.
Yeah, sure.
You know Dali MD?
That's a two. That's a two. What the frick?
No, come on, no.
I have another one! Yay! I didn't check if you took my bait or not, so I reeled it in.
Keep him in the water and keep him alive, okay?
Dude, wait. I have to look at this gigantic fish. Look at how big that is. Look how huge. This is my man. Oh wait, I'm gonna rehook him so he doesn't fall off. No, he's fine. Ow! Nobody saw that. Didn't work that bad. You're gonna put these worms in the fridge.
Wow, it's a BSA Swiss.
I'm gonna keep the knives, right?
Definitely keep that.
I want to keep the cowbell because it's cool.
That. Wow. You can keep that if you want.
Definitely that.
Those.
Sure. Keeping the cowbell.
Broken. It's a fishing indicator. This is useless. You should throw all this away. This could have been useful. It's not anymore.
This is useful. I'm gonna keep this one. That's like brand new.
I don't even know why you would want that.
I'm not gonna throw any of this back in the water because that's bad. Beep.